Who was the man who bet his entire company on Bitcoin and changed the face of corporate finance forever? His name is Michael Saylor, and his story is one of visionary leadership, incredible resilience, and a relentless belief in the power of technology to reshape our world. From a brilliant MIT student to a dot-com billionaire, from the brink of collapse to becoming Bitcoin's most vocal champion, Saylor's journey is a masterclass in navigating chaos and turning crisis into opportunity. Today, we're diving deep into the life of the man who saw the future in digital gold and wasn't afraid to go all in. Michael Saylor was born in Nebraska in 1965, the son of a U.S. Air Force officer. This military upbringing meant a life on the move, instilling in him a sense of discipline and adaptability from a young age. His sharp mind for math and science earned him a full Air Force ROTC scholarship to the prestigious Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT. There, he didn't just study one subject. He tackled a dual major in aeronautics and astronautics, alongside science, technology, and society. He was on a clear path to become a pilot, but life threw him a curveball. A medical condition disqualified him from flight training, a seemingly devastating blow that ultimately redirected his immense talent and ambition toward the burgeoning world of business and technology. In 1989, fresh out of MIT, Saylor teamed up with his classmate Sanju Bansal to start MicroStrategy. Their initial focus was on creating software to optimize business processes. But Saylor saw something bigger on the horizon: the explosion of data. He steered the company to become a pioneer in business intelligence, developing groundbreaking tools that allowed corporations to analyze massive data sets and find hidden insights. This was the dawn of big data, and MicroStrategy was at the forefront. Saylor's vision paid off. The company went public in 1998, and during the dot-com frenzy, its stock price skyrocketed. For a brief moment, Michael Saylor's net worth soared past an astonishing $7 billion, making him one of the wealthiest people on the planet. He was on top of the world. But what goes up, especially during a bubble, can come down just as fast. The year 2000 brought the dot-com crash, and for MicroStrategy, it was a perfect storm. The market collapse was compounded by an accounting scandal that sent the company's stock plummeting. Saylor's billions vanished almost overnight. It was a brutal public downfall. Many entrepreneurs would have been broken by such an experience, but this is where Saylor's true character was forged. The early 2000s were a grueling period of legal battles and financial restructuring. Instead of giving up, Saylor doubled down. He demonstrated incredible resilience, focusing on rebuilding MicroStrategy from the ground up. He refined its core business intelligence products, expanded its offerings, and slowly but surely steered the company back to stability and profitability. During this period of reinvention, he also wrote a book called The Mobile Wave, published in 2012. In it, he accurately predicted how mobile technology would revolutionize every industry and aspect of our lives. This proved he wasn't just a one-hit wonder, capable of identifying transformative technological shifts long before the mainstream caught on. Then came 2020. The world was thrown into chaos by the COVID-19 pandemic. Governments responded with unprecedented monetary stimulus, printing trillions of dollars to prop up economies. He saw the value of traditional currencies being systematically diluted, an ice cube melting in the sun. He began an obsessive search for a way to protect his company's treasury, for an asset that couldn't be debased. After researching everything from gold to real estate to stocks, he had what he calls his Bitcoin epiphany. With its fixed supply of 21 million coins and its decentralized, secure network was the ultimate solution. It was, in his words, digital gold, a superior store of value for the digital age. This wasn't just an intellectual exercise. It was a call to action. In August 2020, Michael Saylor made a move that sent shockwaves through the financial world. He announced that MicroStrategy had converted $250 million of its cash reserves into Bitcoin. For a publicly traded company to make such a bold, unconventional bet was unheard of. Wall Street was stunned. Analysts were skeptical, but Saylor was utterly convinced. This wasn't a short-term trade. It was a fundamental change in corporate strategy. He saw Bitcoin as the best way to preserve shareholder value over the long term. This initial purchase was just the beginning. Saylor led MicroStrategy on an unprecedented buying spree. The company raised billions through debt offerings and other financial instruments, using the proceeds to accumulate more and more Bitcoin. By 2022, MicroStrategy had become one of the largest corporate holders of Bitcoin in the world, with over 129,000 coins on its balance sheet. The company's fate was now inextricably linked to the future of this new digital asset. With his company's treasury on the line, Michael Saylor transformed from a quiet tech CEO into Bitcoin's most powerful and articulate advocate. He took to every platform available: interviews, podcasts, Twitter, and conferences to educate the world about Bitcoin. His engineering background allowed him to break down complex concepts into clear, compelling arguments. He explained Bitcoin's properties as a store of value, its potential as a global monetary network. His powerful analogies, like comparing Bitcoin to digital real estate in the heart of cyberspace. He helped demystify the technology and shift the narrative from a niche curiosity to a serious institutional asset. He co-founded the Bitcoin Mining Council, directly addressing one of the major criticisms leveled against the network. Saylor's all-in approach was widely seen as incredibly risky. MicroStrategy's stock price became a de facto proxy for Bitcoin, swinging wildly with the crypto market's ups and downs. Critics accused Saylor of being reckless. He consistently argued that short-term volatility was just noise on the path to long-term value creation. He maintained that Bitcoin's fundamental properties made it the most resilient and promising asset of the 21st century, beyond his role as a tech CEO and Bitcoin evangelist. Long before his Bitcoin journey began, it's a nonprofit organization with a simple but powerful mission: to provide free. This commitment to making education accessible shows a deeper belief in the power of knowledge to empower individuals and drive progress. His legacy will be multifaceted. The visionary who saw the mobile wave coming, his bold strategy inspired a wave of other companies to explore digital assets. In conclusion, Michael Saylor's story is a powerful testament to the impact of bold ideas and unwavering conviction. He's a leader who doesn't just adapt to change. From the heights of the dot-com boom to the depths of its crash, by challenging conventional wisdom and embracing the future, Michael Saylor has not only transformed his company, but has also cemented his place as one of the most important and influential figures of our time. His story teaches us that in a world of constant change. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. See you in the next one.